You know how there's some songs that you can hear just the first little bit of it and you know exactly what the song is? Like if I was to go, you'd know the song, right? So what about if I was to go, da da da, boo da da da, you know the song, right? So this is a slice of heaven. Thank you, Dave Dobbin. This is a slice of heaven that happens to be called the Town Bike Slice. The Town Bike Slice. How did it get called the Town Bike Slice? Because it's cheap, it's easy, and everybody enjoys it. Is apparently why it's called the Town Bike Slice. I don't endorse that name, I didn't make up that name, but it's called the Town Bike Slice. It was invented by our friend Donna. Hi Donna. And it's really, really easy once again. It's just like all the recipes that they're getting me to make, it's really simple. So we need to have our oven preheated to 180, and we need to have a tray lined with some baking paper, which I've already done here.
Tin.
It's a Leamington tin. It says a baking tray on the recipe.
I'll change it.
Right, so we need a Leamington tin. Didn't even know that was a thing till just then. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we need a Leamington tin. If you haven't got a Leamington tin, could you substitute it with a small baking tray? No, you need a Leamington tin. Okay, so now it's not easy. You need to go to the shop and get a Leamington tin because you can't use a baking tray. It's a Leamington tin, all right? It's a Leamington tin. So, you need a Leamington tin. And once you've got your Leamington tin papered up, which we've done here, before I realised it was a Leamington tin, we put some paper in it. So then all you do is you grab some chocolate pieces and you sprinkle them along the bottom like this. Oh, this is my kind of recipe. I can't make this up, right? So sprinkle these along the bottom, just like that. And then we get some desiccated recipe herpes. Actually, this doesn't get as all over the place as the really finely chopped stuff, so it's not so bad. So then once again, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. All right. And then we get some nuts. You can use whatever nuts you like, whatever nuts you got lying around the house. You might have lots of nuts. We've got lots of nuts here because there's 3 boys that live in this house, and we eat a lot of nuts. So once again, sprinkle. I didn't put these nuts in here, so if I got to the airport and they said, "Did you pack your nuts?" I'd have to say, no, I didn't pack my nuts. So that was a surprise. There were some walnuts in there and some almonds and some slivered almonds and some peanuts. It's really nice. And now we need some rasa bubbles. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Nice. Make it all nice and flat. All nice and flat. And then the best stuff in the entire world. This is a delicacy right here. Well, I can't eat lots of things, but I can certainly have a little taste of this. Oh, don't cut your fingers off. Oh. And then you just pour this over the top. It's actually really satisfying to make this one, isn't it?
You've got a milk moustache.
Did I get it? All good? Oh, is it gone? Did I get it all? Thanks. All right. So once you've got your condensed milk poured over the top of your Town Bike Slice, what we do is we pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes and then into the fridge. And then you can please yourself how many slices you cut it into. I have heard of people not cutting it into slices. If you want to fight with your wife, you cut the middle out. You could cut it into 6. You could have this as one slice. This could be one slice. So once you're all done, it looks like that. Does that look right? Excellent. Okay, into the oven with this one. This is the Town Bike slice. It looks so good. Oh, man. I'm so shitty it's got chocolate in it because I can't eat it then, but I suppose I could lick the top, but I won't do that because other people are going to try this because look at it. It looks delectable. All right, let's get it out. Now, this hasn't had its time in the fridge because I was cheating and I wanted to get it out and see how it was like. So, there we go. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look. Let's have a slice. Let's see what happens. Probably wouldn't hurt to put it in the fridge. Look at it. Oh, boy. Oh, it's all gooey. And, look. Oh, so good. As we said, the Town Bike slice, everybody loves it and it's cheap and easy. Check it out on the website. Oh, it's so, oh, no.